This guide provides clear instructions on how to run a new web scan using the Oxo UI platform. From initiating a new scan to submitting the finalized process, follow these precise steps to effortlessly navigate through the scan setup process. To access the Run Scan page, you can either click on the New Scan button located at the top right of the navbar, or access it from the sidebar by clicking on the Menu button, and then selecting New Scan. After that, a form will appear where you can provide the necessary details of the scan. Scanner. Select the scanner to run the scan on. Click Continue to proceed to the next step. Title. This field is optional and allows you to give a title or name to the scan. It helps in identifying the scan later when reviewing results or managing multiple scans. Asset. This is a required field where you specify the asset that will undergo the scan. It could be an Android or iOS application, a web application, an API, or a network. In our case, we will choose Web App. After selecting the Web App asset type, you can provide URLs and domain names that the scanner will target during the scan process. Agent Group. This is another required field. The drop-down lets you select the agent group that the scan will run on. Before jumping to the next step, let's first explain what is an agent group. As you might know, Oxo relies on agents to perform the actual scanning. Agents can perform a variety of tasks, including security scanning, file analysis, and subdomain enumeration. They are also able to communicate with each other to enhance the scanning process. So, an agent group definition is simply a set of agents and their configurations. This allows you to define which agents will be used and how they will be configured for each scan, ensuring that the scanning process is tailored to the user-specific needs. To run the scan, click on Submit. In the Scan List page, you can see that the scan is running. This guide covered the process of running a new web scan, including selecting a scanner, specifying scan details such as title, asset, and agent group.